Good afternoon. Isn't it a beautiful day today in Chiang Mai? I'm so lucky to walk here and meet Kamla and the herd. It's a special day today because it's nearly my birthday and I'm so happy to be here. And Kamla is rescued after a terrible time. She has been riding on the circus and now adopted by the whole herd here at Elephant Nature Park. We're very sad that at this time no tourists, and we need your support. And look at this, instead of my own birthday cake we have a beautiful fruit cake. They will love it and I'm very happy that we can give it to them. If you have any birthday or party or whatsoever, please feel free. We can make any cake for you. But we need your donation because these beautiful animals, they need to get fed.
Happy birthday
Wow.
to you. Happy birthday
Wow!
to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
This is
Thank
the
you very
holiday.
much. Thank you. Here I am. I have to go. I feel very small at the moment because they are huge. I thought I was huge, but they are great. But I'm so happy that they get some food as well today. The cake is nearly gone. Go. Ho 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 ho. But I would like to say Happy New Year to all of you. Let's hope that 2021 will be a better year for all of us. Keep safe and don't forget our beautiful elephants at Elephant Nature Park. We need your support. Thank you very much.